Hey, health enthusiasts! Welcome back to Natural Hub. Today we're delving into the world of herbs, and we've got a real health superhero on our hands. Oregano. It's not just about adding flavor to your favorite dishes. Oregano comes with a plethora of health benefits that you might not be aware of. Stick around as we uncover the remarkable health advantages of this humble herb. Before we jump into the goodness of oregano, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our health-focused content. Now let's dive into the incredible health benefits of oregano. Immune system boost. Oregano is more than just a kitchen staple. It's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamins A and C, oregano can give your immune system a significant boost. These vitamins play a crucial role in supporting the body's defenses against illnesses and infections. Antimicrobial properties. What sets oregano apart is its natural antimicrobial properties. Oregano contains compounds like carvacrol and thymol, which have been shown to have powerful antibacterial and antifungal effects. Incorporating oregano into your diet may help protect against harmful microorganisms and promote overall well-being. Anti-inflammatory power. Inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases. Oregano contains potent anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Whether you're dealing with arthritis or trying to prevent inflammation-related issues, oregano can be a valuable addition to your health regimen. Heart health support. Taking care of your heart is crucial. Oregano can play a role in that. Studies suggest that oregano may help lower cholesterol levels and support cardiovascular health. Its antioxidant properties contribute to maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart-related issues. How to incorporate oregano for health. Now that we know how fantastic oregano is for our health, let's talk about practical ways to include it in our daily routine. From adding it to salads and soups to making oregano-infused teas, there are plenty of delicious ways to harness its health benefits. And there you have it, the incredible health benefits of oregano. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your health-conscious friends. What herbs or spices do you love for their health benefits? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on Natural Hub, and we'll catch you in the next video as we continue our journey towards a healthier, happier life.